Hi, today we are going to prepare Senai gravy, that is elephant yam. First heat the oil in a pan, add garlic cloves and add rice, zeera and fenugreek seeds. Now add curry leaves, make this into paste and keep aside. Now take the oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, onion and curry leaves. In this add elephant yam which was cut into pieces. Sort it well. Now add salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Mix it evenly. In this add tomato puree and the masalas. Boil it. After boiling, the gravy will be like this. Now keep the tamarind in water and extract the tamarind water. Grind the coconut paste. Now add the coconut paste and tamarind water into this gravy. Now cook it until the raw smell goes out. Finally, the elephant yam gravy is ready, which suits for rice chapati. Thank you.